What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm not going to be installing, my buddy's going to be installing a leveling kit on this truck. As you guys can see, I already installed some light pods, so I need to catch you guys up on what happened with those. But I think I'm going to post the issues that I had with a different company. Today, like I said, install for the leveling kit, so you guys will see the process of that. Right now I'm gonna hop out, measure the truck, and see what the true difference is with the leveling kit installed. And yeah, so give me a second and I'll see you guys right now. All right, so here's the box that comes. I went with the rough country kit just because this is a 2-inch leveling kit. It's not gonna make the truck completely leveled, but that's okay, because once, in my belief, if you lift it too much and you're flexing off-road or something, you twist wrong, you could bend an axle, whatever, you could break it. So that's the reason why I went with this for now, just to give me some extra ground clearance. And then more down the road, I want to install some actual very nice king suspension, something like that. But this just to give me some ground clearance. So once again, let's go measure the height, and then we'll get started on the install. All right, you guys, so very not scientific. I believe we're sitting right at 35 and a quarter? No, 35 and a half. So as you guys can see, that's not very much. Hopefully after this leveling kit, it'll be at like 37, maybe. So we shall see. This is how it sits right now. But yeah, and I also took off that bottom lip right there just to give me some extra ground clearance, because I know this 2-inch leveling kit isn't going to be much. One more time just to show you guys what comes in the box. So you get these 2-inch spacers, or the spacer itself isn't 2 inches. Let me show you. So it's about 1 inch, but after you combine the total, like the load, not the load, but like the clearance that's in the lower control arm, which it sits, the lower control arm and the shock, that's what gives you the combined level of or the combined lift of the 2 inches supposedly. So these bolts go through there. They're just an extension of the previous stock hardware that's on there. So yeah, but like I said, let's get started with the video, and I'll show you guys once it's done. God, this is the shop dog. Right, so there we have it. This side is all, I think it's all done. As you guys can see, the nut is in there that they provide. Everything's pretty much hand tight. So yeah, all they really had to do was pry this up very, very hard, giving us enough compression to pretty much release the lower control arm and the axle and the stuff without removing anything. All we have to do is remove this, and there's a nut on the bottom. There's a sway bar, and then yeah, you just have to jam it in there, kind of give it a few taps right here, but it's all good. Let's see, it's in. Sheesh. It should be good. He did say it was kind of close to the axle, but I mean, hopefully we're all good. Alright guys, so everything's pretty much all squared away. You got the nuts going this way. There's pretty much some clearance in there, so it's not gonna rub. But yeah, just gonna put the wheels back on and then do an alignment, and we're all set to go. Alright you guys, so there it is, pretty much level. Now we're gonna go into the alignment rack, so give me a second. Man, here we are again on this freaking rack right here. It's a different car now. I miss my car. Alright guys, so everything's all aligned and stuff. As you guys can see, it's a pretty visible difference. I don't know if you guys could see in the video, but let's check it out. It's measuring right at 37 and a half. there we go. That's the end result. So yeah, if you guys are thinking of doing this leveling kit for you guys yourself, you guys could probably do it. I just don't have a spot to work on it, but yeah, so definitely check out this rough country kit. And once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.